time, I asked ChatGPT to give me 50 different ideas in order to use Canva for YouTube. Today, I thought that we would go over 10 of them to see if, in fact, they can be done. Design custom merch for your viewers. This is an excellent way to use Canva for YouTube. How can you design merch? Well, the first thing you need to know is what do you want to design? But let's look here. Print products, because that's typically what your merch is going to be. And there's different things here under popular, but look, you can design clothing, you can even design cards, stationeries, gifts. Look, you could design a water bottle or a mug, hoodies. The ideas are endless here. And all you need to do is look at the print product tab to find the different ideas. Create video collages to showcase different moments in your videos. You might take all of the bloopers from a video and then design a video collage around that. In order to do something like that, you would want to use the video size of your actual video. So if you're doing a vertical video like for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, then you would want a vertical video size like this mobile video. If you're needing more of a square, then you would use this one for Facebook video. Or if you're doing regular YouTube size videos, then you would want to use the 1920 by 1080 pixel. What you can do is upload your clips into Canva, click upload file, and then bring in your clips. Now, depending on the size of your clips, it may take a little while. If you're having trouble uploading your videos into Canva, then go to help, type in upload media from your device, and then down here, if you're having trouble uploading your files, check our uploads, formats, and requirements article. And then you can click that and it will give you everything that you can, or basically, if it's not here, what you cannot upload into Canva. You can add a page and add a different clip. Grab this, right? Let me get rid of this. You can add a transition in between the scenes. So in between the two pages, there's an add a page and an add a transition. Oh, there's a new transition. Transitions. We've got transitions that you can add, match and move. You can do a circle wipe, which is, I really love circle wipe. And it's just a fun way to do that. And by the way, transitions are free. Make animated videos to stand out from other creators. Now, this is sort of where the transitions came in. I have found that it's really more difficult for me to edit longer videos in Canva just because I have a lot of internet issues. And because of that, it is much faster for me to edit in a video editor that doesn't require internet. So what I'll do, if I want a transition or an animation in a scene, what I'll do is just upload that small clip or that small area where I do want the transition or the animation, and then create the animation or the transition, and then I download it as an MP4, which would be like this: share, download. I would download both of these pages. I'm going to pretend like I pressed download, even though I didn't. I would do that, and then I would put that, once it downloaded, into my video editor right where I needed those spots to be. Now, the other way that you can animate things is by adding in. So let's say that I wanted to add in some sort of graphic. Let's see, these stickers are fun. And some of the stickers you can even change the color on. Like, for example, this one. I can make it smaller, and then I could change it to, let's see, be this color. These are called Lottie stickers, the ones that you can change the color. Not all stickers can have their colors changed. Like, for example, this is not a Lottie sticker, so I can't change the color of this one. But this is a Lottie sticker, and I can change the colors on it. Let's say that I wanted this, and then I could animate it. I could add a little pop on it. And then what I can do is right click, show timing, and the timing button will show up here, and I can move it however I want so that it will be as long as I want, and it will pop up at just the right time and then disappear at just the right time. So that is a great way to customize your videos in a unique way. Do little clips, especially if it's something that I want to animate, like that Lottie sticker onto my Canva tutorial. I will show you an example of that right here. I just put a Lottie sticker. I just cut this tiny clip out, put it into Canva, and then added the Lottie sticker right there. If you didn't see the video on the first 10 ways to use Canva for YouTube, you're definitely going to want to check that out. I will leave it linked in several places. And if you can't find it, then ask me in the comments. Create video tutorials to teach your viewers new skills or techniques. Now, this is a fun one because at first glance, you might think, well, how would that work? If you are teaching a skill that requires screen share, I'm pulling up a different browser here, and I'm going to go to video, and I'm just going to create a video document. And then if you go to uploads, you are in a Chrome browser. There's this button called record yourself. And when you click it, it will go into a studio. Now, you're going to see this is trying to use my OBS virtual camera because my camera that I'm using is being utilized by StreamYard. I cannot change it. Like, oh, apparently I can. I don't know why it's allowing me to do that in two different places, but the microphone or whatever. So I can do just the camera. I can do camera and screen, which if I do would probably give you a Inception type thing. I don't remember what the other one was. I think it was just screen only, press record. So we're just going to do a press record real quick. This is how you use the record feature in Canva. And then I would click done, and we're going to save and exit. And guess what? It's going to upload. So it's uploading this. I don't use this much because most of the stuff I teach it's too much internet on my system, and it takes too long to actually upload it. So it shows up in a circle. Someone asked that on one of the recent comments, like, how do you get yourself in a circle? That's one way. If I right click, I can detach video, and now I can be on the whole screen. I could even change this frame out. Let's type in frame, and I could put it into a different frame. Let's detach that. I could put it like that. That's how that would work. So you could also use it just to film yourself. I mean, you could use your webcam and then film yourself onto Canva and let it upload into Canva and then edit it if you are wanting to be stationary like that. So it's a cool trick. Design custom captions and subtitles for your videos. Now, I think that there might be a way to do this that's less manual. The way I know is manual, and you would just need to type T on your keyboard and type in the text for the subtitles or captioning, put it wherever you would like it. I've heard that there's another way to do it. Let's see if I type in caption. Quick. Add caption videos from Quick to your design. I'm not familiar with this at all, but this might be something that you want to look into if you are interested in captioning your videos in Canva. Create channel trailers to introduce your channel to new viewers. So just like video tutorials where you can teach things, you could actually use that same feature and record yourself introducing your channel to the audience. At the top, you can have channel trailers. And let me show you what that looks like. It's under customization, under layout. So there's two types of video spotlights. The first is channel trailers for people who haven't subscribed. As of the time of recording this, I've got one called Video Editing in Canva and Other Software Programs. Featured video for returning subscribers. And I found out recently that if someone watches even a little bit, then that featured video goes away for them. Channel trailer is for someone that hasn't subscribed yet. Maybe they're coming across your channel and they're new, and you can create a video trailer in Canva using the video editor and also the record yourself function to be able to create that short trailer to let people know what your value is, what they would get out of watching your channel. Design video presentations to use in your videos or share with your audience outside of YouTube. Okay, presentations isn't something that I've used a whole lot of, but I actually will use presentations and download them as a PDF when I'm doing live streams and I'm sharing different slides. And so you can create presentations in the presentation function. And it even has cool layouts that you can use on different pages. If I wanted something to look like this every single time with a picture and then the words, then it will do that for me. This is my brand kit, my brand color kit. I could do something like this, which is fantastic. Or I can click styles and maybe change it to something else, which is really fun. Create video ad campaigns to promote your YouTube channel and video. So I'm going to have to disagree with this one. Can you do it? Yes. I don't know whether you're new to YouTube, whether you should do it. If the ad stops running where you stop getting views, I think it's probably highly likely. Design custom video playlists to organize your content. I want to look at my playlists. I think it's under content now. So if I look at this one called Featured Canva Tutorials and I edit it, I want to see. So you can't actually create a thumbnail, a specific thumbnail for a playlist unless you're doing like a channel trailer to introduce the playlist. Ooh, that would be a cool idea, like a 1 minute channel trailer for featured Canva tutorials. Maybe it's unlisted, and I could create the video in Canva, and then I could set that as the first thing in that playlist, and also set it as the playlist thumbnail. That's actually a very interesting idea and one that I might have to consider myself. I'm going to write that down here. I really like that idea. Oh, by the way, this is a way that I love to use Canva. I love to use docs, Canva docs, and create ideas for me for my YouTube channel. Create custom video playlists to organize your content and create custom video tags to help your content get discovered by new viewers. Let's click plus, magic right, and I'm going to go 30 keywords for, I might as well search keywords for the video I'm making, right? Let's see what it says. And that's not going to work. But look, these are some great ideas also on how to use Canva for YouTube. So that would be a hit or miss. If you use Canva for YouTube, you're going to really appreciate this tip. When you are creating content for your channel, try to batch create as much as possible. So for example, today, I'm batch creating the 50 ideas that ChatGPT gave me for thumbnails, and it's taken me about 30 minutes to record each of the videos. So it should take me 2.5 hours to record all of the footage, and then I will spend time editing it. So you're going to see me in this shirt a lot because I'm filming it all in one day. I love the top ones. I'm not a fan of the video ad, and I like these. It actually I kind of really like that that gave me an idea of something to do for my channel. Are you going to use any of these ideas yourself? Now, typically I would tell you to choose one of these two videos on your screen, but what I'm going to do instead is tell you to click into this playlist. This playlist is going to share with you all of the ideas that ChatGPT had for how to use Canva for YouTube. So that's what you're going to do next. And I'll see you next time. Bye.